Imagine this. You've planned a surprise birthday party for your best friend. Everyone is excited. It's a big secret. And then one person tells the birthday girl about it. The whole surprise is ruined. In English, there's a funny phrase for this. We call it spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret, usually by accident. Don't invite Tom to the party. He always, spills the beans. Sarah spilled the beans about their engagement before they announced it. I almost spilled the beans about my promotion, but I managed to keep it to myself. Think of it literally. Imagine you're holding a can of beans, and suddenly they all spill everywhere. That's exactly what happens when someone shares information they weren't supposed to share. Now it's your turn. What's the last secret someone spilled to you? Or maybe you spilled the beans once. Write your example in the comments. And if this quick lesson helped you, give it a like and subscribe, because tomorrow we'll learn another phrase that will make your English sound more natural.